fabricators, it's Don Duran from NSI Solutions. It's been a minute since we made a video, but today we want to announce the sink bowl is back. It's been about a year of redesigning and struggling with supply chain issues like everyone else in America, but we finally have a good inventory of parts ready to ship today. Works just like the old sink bowl, and it comes in a complete kit, not including the Makita grinder, but you get the 3-inch rapid Z cut to rough grind to the template. You get a 3-inch vacuum brazed drum with the top bearing, coarse, and a 3-inch fine. Now, these are all designed to be used in sequence. So you rough cut with a saw, clamp your template down, rapid Z cut, rough drum, fine drum. They're all the same height from here to here, so that you never have to adjust the height, and they are all sized to take the lines out from the previous step. So this will clean up the rough grind, take all those lines out. This is a little bit bigger, we'll clean up the coarse drum, take all those lines out, and then you're ready to polish. That comes with the kit. 1-inch drums are available in coarse and fine also. Again, the same heights, so you don't have to adjust the height. The machine itself is similar to the old sink bowl, the original sink bowl, but it has a few improvements, most noticeably the grip handles. Much better grip. No longer are you going to have the old grips sliding around. We've been using these in our shop for a couple of years at least, and our guys like them. Also, we have more stainless steel parts, and because of that, we have more wrench clearance to reach in there and unscrew your drums. We have improved strain relief to keep from kinking your hoses and cords. And then on the bottom, we've gone to a 2-piece rub plate right here. So when you wear out this nose, dragging it on templates, you just have to replace this piece instead of the entire rub plate like the original sink bowl. The kit also includes what we call a multi-function wrench. The large end fits all your 3-inch accessories, drums and rapid Z cut. The small end fits your 1-inch drums. And then the handle here, the stepped handle, is used to set the height for grinding. This part, as it says 5/8, corresponds to like 5/8 plywood templates. The 1/2 inch would be 1/2 inch plywood or 1/2 inch Corian templates. To use that, you slide that in there. Now I'm going to put it all the way into the 1/2 inch section. You drop your carriage right down onto there, tighten it up, and then slide that straight out, and you should be set for 1/2 inch templates using these accessories. Now, everyone's templates are a little different, so your mileage may vary. You can always modify the wrench if you need to, but it's a great reference starting point. That's the Sink Bowl LT. Keep an eye on our website. We'll be uploading more information and pictures and resources for the Sink Bowl LT. Also our YouTube channel, NSI Tools. You know how it works. Like and subscribe if you want to get notifications. We'll be uploading videos concerning the Sink Bowl LT, how it works, usage, how to assemble it, etc. Happy grinding.